Hey everyone, if you're about to buy web hosting, don't do it without using a Hostinger coupon code. Because in 2025, there's always a better deal waiting for you. In this video, I'll share the best Hostinger coupon code 2025 that can save you up to 80% plus an extra 10% discount when you use my special link in the description. Once you click the link, the Hostinger coupon will be applied automatically. If you're a beginner, go for the premium web hosting plan. It's affordable and includes everything you need to start a WordPress website. If you want more speed and backups, the business plan is worth the small extra cost. So why use this Hostinger promo code? Because Hostinger gives you more for less, fast servers, free SSL, free domain, daily backups, and even AI website tools. It's perfect for WordPress users, bloggers, and small business owners who want reliable hosting without overpaying. Before you check out, make sure you apply the Hostinger discount code using my link below to grab your extra 10% off. And if you'd like to learn how to create your WordPress website step by step using Hostinger, watch my full tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your Hostinger coupon code before it expires.